Hello my friends, in today's video we will show you the 10 biggest trucks in the world, longer than a swimming pool, bigger than a family home. Komatsu 930E4. A made-in-Japan truck. This monster from Komatsu drives with an electrical generator, powered by a mammoth 16-cylinder turbo diesel engine. 51.2 feet long, 29.82 feet wide, and 24.18 feet tall. This bad boy has a 2700 horsepower engine and can carry loads of up to 291.7 metric tons. Caterpillar 794C. The 794C, which has only been available since September last year, is Caterpillar's most recent off-road vehicle. 26.3 feet tall, 32 feet wide with a 3500 horsepower engine, it is capable of lifting up to 291 metric tons. Caterpillar's 795F AC. The 795F, the second largest model offered by Caterpillar, can tilt its skip to a height of nearly 50 feet. A 3440 horsepower engine is required to move this 49.7 feet long, 31 feet wide, and 23 feet tall truck that can lift up to 313 metric tons. Hitachi EH5000AC-3. The EH5000AC-3 is one of the longest trucks in the group with a length of 50.8 feet and a height of 24.67 feet. It's also the only one from Hitachi to make the top 10. Its skip has a volume of 197 cubic meters, which can carry enough water to fill 1,000 standard bathtubs. Komatsu 960E2. The 960E2 would take up more than 3 lanes on a typical highway because it is more than 30 feet wide, 31.5 to be precise. It also has a length of 51.18 feet, a height of 24.17 feet. This one comes with a 3500 horsepower engine and has a payload of 326.6 metric tons. Belaz 75600. The Belaz 75600, which was produced in the tiny European Republic of Belarus, can carry more than 50 adult male elephants thanks to its enormous 360 metric ton payload. 50.85 feet long and 24.5 feet tall, this giant is powered by a 3500 horsepower engine. Liebherr T284. It is the largest vehicle produced by the German truck manufacturer Liebherr and the only one on the list that measures more than 50 feet long and 24 feet tall, since it is actually 51.48 feet long and 24.34 feet tall, with a power of 3,969 horsepower. Caterpillar 797. The largest vehicle produced by Caterpillar has tires that are more than twice as tall as the standard man height and cost more than 137,000 pounds for a set. Though it weighs 687.5 metric tons, is 25.39 feet tall, 48.56 feet long, is powered by a 4,000 horsepower engine and has a payload of 363 metric tons, its maximum speed of over 42 miles per hour is the most terrifying thing about it. Komatsu 980 E4. The largest vehicle made by Komatsu, the 980 E4 is the Japanese auto industry's equivalent to Godzilla, with its height of 26.25 feet, length of 45.83 feet, 3,500 horsepower engine, and 369.4 metric ton payload. It is the big brother of the 960 E2. Belaz 75710. The largest vehicle in the world is produced by Belaz in Belarus and is available to us. It is a large figure with proportions similar to a twin house. What's inside the engine, however, is the most impressive. It boasts 11,012 horsepower, which is equivalent to the combined power of 7 Bugatti Chiron supercars. And at the end, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the future videos.